A video tutorial these days will provide you with help to get rid of the adware type application called SolutionsApproach. SolutionsApproach is the adware from the adload family of infections. This adware targets Mac computers. The adware, once installed, starts to display the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If this solutions approach was somewhere or another added to your Mac computer, of course you need to undertake the measures and to get rid of it immediately. If this solution approach was found on your Mac, to remove it, check your Finder, check your applications. When you locate this solutions approach on your Mac, you need to right-click on it and choose the option to move it to the trash. Likewise, if you see anything else that is suspicious, you need to get rid of it. I would recommend you to additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.